Hey, if one of your earbuds is not working on the Redmi Buds 6 Play, then let me show you how we can try to quickly fix this. First of all, input both earbuds inside your charging case. Close this case and use this USB-C port to recharge them for like 5 to 10 minutes. It's very important. Then you will have to open this case after you finish charging, and with both earbuds inside, you'll have to actually locate this button that is right here on this case, and you will have to click and hold it. And now you will have to take a look on this indicator on the front. As you can see, currently it is blinking quickly, but we have to hold it all the time until this blinking slow down. Just like this, take a look. And now it will start blinking quickly one more time. So now we can release. Now close this case. Right now open it. And right now this indicator will start blinking quickly. So now be sure that you unpair this device, try to connect this one more time, and now you can tell me if it works. So that will be all. Thanks for watching. Right now please subscribe.